What is Forex market? It is $5.1 trillion every day. Start earning in a giant market. Forex is an interbank currency exchange market. Forex market is a decentralized global market where all the world's currencies are traded. It has no centralized marketplace for making transactions. Traders and other market participants make transactions electronically. Historical events. Gold standard. In 1875, all major states established a standard according to which a unit of currency could be converted into a strictly fixed amount of gold. The Bretton Woods system. In July 1944, in Bretton Woods, a new system for regulating monetary relations was created. Bretton Woods Agreement. The agreement implies a rigid fixed value of gold, $35 per troy ounce. Other countries pegged their currency to the US dollar. Thus, the dollar became the main reserve currency and the only currency backed by gold. Beginning of the era of foreign exchange market. In August 1975, the United States announced that it would no longer convert dollars to gold. This decision put an end to Bretton Woods monetary system. How to trade on the Forex market. The trade that takes place in the foreign exchange market involves the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling of another. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day and is divided into 4 sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. The foreign exchange market is extremely active all day long with price quotes constantly changing. The main Forex market participants: governments and central banks, commercial banks and companies, hedge funds, brokerage companies, investors, individual traders, speculators.